everybody, this is Kay, and thank you for joining me here today on my channel, Gigi's Paper Treasures. I am doing an unboxing video today, and I had this company, IeeBee, reach out to me. I think that's how it's pronounced. And they offered me the opportunity to receive a couple of products from them, and what they've asked me to do in exchange is to do an unboxing video, and then I'll be doing another video of a project using the items that they've sent me. They have offered me a 30% off discount code for anybody who clicks on the link below to go to their website and order, and I'll put all that information for their website and my discount code in the description box below. And so, without further ado, let's get to unboxing this. Now, I've got my little box cutter here because it's taped up pretty good. So let's just open this up and see what they sent. Okay. So the first thing I see here is a little washi tape inspiration book 1. It says 100 ways to use washi tape, and I think that is like their primary product, maybe, is washi tape, because I was kind of looking through their website and they have just tons of different sets of washi tapes in different themes and color schemes and stuff like that. So this looks pretty neat, actually. I'm going to put this to good use because I have a ton of washi tape, and I believe that's what I have picked out. Was one, they actually let me pick out 2 different products. I'm pretty sure that's all they've sent me is the 2 different things that I picked out, but we'll see in a minute. But yeah, this is a really nice, very high quality little booklet with inspiration for using washi tape. So definitely gonna hang on to that and put that to use. Okay, so the next thing in the box here is a little blank journal. Okay, so it's got kind of a vinyl cover. Feels pretty good quality. It has one of those little ribbon bookmarks attached to it. Let's see if I can tell how it's bound in. I think it's sewn in. I think that it's sewn in to the spine. It looks like there's, it's about a 1/2 inch or so thick, and the edges are nicely colored. That's kind of pretty. So yeah, it's just a blank journal. It does look like, it's maybe intended to be like sort of a planner type journal. So it's all lined all the way through. So yeah, that's nice. All right, let's see what's next here. Let me see if I can... Oh wow, this appears to be a nice size box of washi tape. Yep. And if I remember correctly, this is the one that I requested. It's called something like Vintage Nature's Notes. Okay, and on the back of the box here, it gives the different dimensions of the washi tape rolls. Okay, there's 37 rolls in this box. The box itself is beautiful. And it looks like we have a little bit more inspirational ideas for using washi tape here. I mean, that's a nice box. It's got these little ribbons that hold the lid from flying open. Let's see if I can get these out now. Okay. Just gonna get all these out and set the box aside for now. I think this is just another one of the same, yeah, another one of the same pieces that that was on the top. So let me set this aside, and I will open up these rolls of washi tape one at a time. So they're nicely wrapped in plastic. Keep them clean. Okay. Alright, so this one has a nice wide roll. It looks like it's about 3 inches. Let me get my ruler. Yep, it's about 3 inches wide. And then you've got some that are 1/4 of an inch. Even skinnier than that. These look really pretty. Let me just peel this up. This one looks really nice. It's got butterflies and botanicals and some postage marks, as well as like what looks like kind of a scripty background. So yeah, it feels like it's pretty sticky. I mean, I probably, you know, with most washi tapes, would use a little glue if I want it to stay down permanently anyway. But this really feels like, you know, pretty good sticky washi tape to me. Not super cheap. I have bought some washi tapes in the past that they actually tore when I tried to take them off the roll. You know, kind of ripped the wrong direction. So, not all washi tapes are created equal. Alright, so I'm going to kind of try to show you all of these. And you can speed through it if you want. Sometimes it takes a bit to get them started here. Maybe I won't peel and show all of them, but this is another nice kind of floral with a darker background. 1/4 inch piece, it looks like. 1/4 inch roll. Okay. I'm liking it so far. You know, the only thing I have to say right off the bat is that sometimes I don't have much of a use for the super, super skinny rolls like these two on the end. So that might be an issue of just being able to use it up for me. But we'll see. You know, maybe that little booklet that they sent along with it will give me some different ideas, some different inspiration on how to use up some of these extra skinny rolls. Okay, so we have another nice wide roll here. Looks like some more botanical images, frames, some words that look, you know, kind of stamped words, some sayings. This down here says, a way of holding on to the things you love, the things you are, the things you never want to lose. That's nice. Let me just get this started and see. Sometimes I have the same issue with the super wide rolls that I do with the super skinny rolls. I don't know. I just haven't found too many ways to use them. But they are awful pretty. And that dragonfly, I really like that. Okay, oops. Roll that back up. Like I said, I don't want to take the time to actually open and peel out all of these, but these are some really nice looking kind of vintagey botanical ones. A couple more of those super skinny ones, and they have some solid ones in here as well. Like here's kind of a peachy color solid ones. Sometimes those solid ones come in handy. Okay, let's open up another one. Ooh, this one is really pretty. This one has some of that gold edging on it, it looks like. I think this one is taped down. I see. Let me see if I can get it off. Yeah. That one has a piece of tape holding the edge closed there. Ooh, look how pretty. Ooh, I love that. Mushrooms and flowers and butterflies. And they're all kind of, well, not all of them, but, you know, many of them are kind of outlined with the gold metallic. That is super pretty. I love that. And this one actually has a little quote here. It says, "Our destiny offers not the cup of despair, but the chalice of opportunity. So let us seize it, not in fear, but in gladness." And R.M. Nixon. Okay. Next one. Okay, looks like those first three that I opened were the only ones that had the super wide rolls in it. This has I think this is about, let me see, 1 1/4 inches. 1 3/8 wide. That one has butterflies. That's super pretty. Botanicals and some scripty with some little postage marks and ticket marks. That's really cute. More butterflies and dragonflies. I mean, can't get enough of that. Here's a narrower roll that has the gold outlining on it. Gold foil, I guess. The foiled, I guess is what that's called. Super pretty flowers. Another super skinny, and this one has text, like postage marks, text, whatnot on it. Very nice. Another roll with the gold foiling on it. Just a variety of botanicals on in this package, except for maybe this one, which is black and white text, postage marks. Let me open this one up a little bit so see if, sometimes I just have trouble finding the edge to get it started. Yeah, so that's going to be kind of translucent. I mean, most washi tape is, honestly. But it looks like it's just kind of a repetition of the same text or similar texts. Maybe it's not the same thing throughout, but I can't read it. It's very tiny. But that'll look nice like over something else so that it can kind of be seen through the washi tape. That'll be fun to play with. Okay. And one more. All right, another gold foil. Oh, this is a nice one with butterflies, and it's got kind of a darker background. I like that. Let me peel this one out a little bit. Ooh. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I love that. I just love that gold foiling. It just adds a little elegance to the washi tape, I think, which I love. Okay, and then another kind of floral botanical one. This is really nice. This is like the flowers are really small and kind of wispy looking, I guess. I don't know if that's a good way to describe it. Oh yeah, that would make like a really nice like edge border, like maybe on the bottom of the page, since it looks like the flowers are kind of growing upwards. That's really pretty. Okay. So there's that one. And then, oops, And oh, this one is one of the really skinny one, but it's music. It's a music staff there. And a few more botanicals and butterflies. Here's another kind of narrower one that's, it looks like gold foiled throughout. Let me open that one up too. Very nice. It's got sort of some green leaf, kind of subtle in the background with the gold foiled leaves and flowers on top. That's really nice. Okay. So these are really nice. I mean, that's a lot of rolls of washi tape. I forget what the price of them would be, but like I said, there's going to be a discount code below for you if you're interested in clicking on the link and ordering anything. It'll give you 30% off. This is the first time I'm trying out something like this with a company. It's actually the first one that reached out to me because I do have a pretty small channel. But I'm excited to try all this, and I think what I'm going to do in my second video for this IeeBee company is I'm going to use the washi tapes to kind of decorate and alter this little journal they sent me as well. I'll be using the washi tape to make items to put in pockets and also to decorate pages, and so I'm going to work on ideas, coming up with ideas for that, and that's how I'm going to use these items that this company sent me. So yeah, so if you're interested in this is, you know, a beautiful set, but they had many different options, and they also carry other things besides washi tape. I saw stickers on there, paper, and just, I would go check them out because it's really seems like they have quite a large inventory of items. But washi tape does seem to be kind of their main thing. So check it out, and I thank you for watching today, and be sure and keep your eyes out for another video where I use these items in a project. Have a blessed day.